Greetings, students. This is Dr. Sutton. I want to welcome you to my first video, which is just going to outline how you're supposed to handle this week's work. The first thing I want you to pay attention to is the fact that you're going to have a live meeting with me at different times today. So if you're in my first period, we're going to have a live meeting at 8:30. The meeting should last 20 minutes per period. Second period, our meeting will start at 9 o'clock. Fifth period, our meeting will start at 9:30. And seventh period, our meeting will start at 10 o'clock. All of these meetings will occur today. If by some chance you happen to miss this meeting, then it will be recorded and you can watch it later. Every week there's going to be a s'more. A s'more is a website that will have all of the information that I've typed in about what's going to happen for the week. On the right of the screen right now, you should see a tiny URL. This tiny URL is going to be the actual link for this week's s'more. If you're curious about what you're supposed to be doing today, well, there's a teacher-assigned lesson called Volume with Fractional Length. This should only take you 32 minutes. Now, we say it's due by Sunday, but you probably want to get it done today or as early as possible so that you're not waiting to the last minute. Students should also take the iReady quiz that is related to that lesson, which takes about 15 minutes and will be for a grade. Students must complete 45 minutes of iReady on their path separately. You normally do that, so we didn't want to change that requirement. So we're talking about so far 45 minutes and possibly another 45 minutes, which kind of equates to your 2 hours that you're supposed to have of just doing work. Outside of that requirement, the 45 minutes of iReady is separate. Remember, iReady is a weekly requirement where you have to have at least 45 minutes on your path. These other assignments, the volume with fractional length and taking the iReady quiz, those would be considered just a part of that, pretty much that first hour. The last thing that we've assigned for you this week is a volume assignment on GoFormative.com, which lasts about an hour itself. So basically, it looks like about 2 hours and 45 minutes worth of work, where 2 hours are dedicated to your assignments on GoFormative and on the teacher-assigned lesson that is on iReady. And then separate from that, then you got your 45 minutes of your normal iReady on your path. If you have any questions about anything that I just mentioned to you, please do not hesitate to email me and ask me questions. I have listed my email address at the bottom and the times that I'm available. I will try to email you within an hour, but after either 9 a.m. or 2 p.m. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to a great week.